problem. So the problem name is fruits into baskets. 2. You are given two arrays of integers fruits and baskets, each of length n, where fruits of I represents the quantity of the ith type of fruit, and baskets of j represents the capacity of the jth basket. From left to right, place the fruits according to these rules. Each fruit type must be placed in the leftmost available basket with a capacity greater than or equal to the quantity of that fruit type. Each basket can hold only one type of fruit. If a fruit type cannot be placed in any basket, it remains unplaced. Return the number of fruit types that remain unplaced after all possible allocations are made. And if you see the constraints, those are pretty low. So we can just brute force it to solve the problem. So let's reduce this to f, let's reduce this to b, and then we say let n be equals to length of f, right? And let result equals to 0, and in the end we'll return result. And in between, what we need to do is for I in range n, let's initialize the flag variable, initialize to false. For j in range n, so from j equals to 0 to n minus 1, we check basically all the baskets. If p of j, if capacity is greater than or equals to the quantity, then we say that result plus equal, not result, sorry, we found the matching, right, basket for this type, and we set the capacity to 0 so that this can't be reused again, and then we break out. And if not a flag, if we didn't find any pairing, then we say result plus equals to 1, right? And yeah, let's try running the solution. So as you can see, the sample test cases are passing. So let's try to submit this. As you can see, we have passed all the test cases. So thanks for watching.